So top of the market trading coming in here, and then the delta goes bid, and then the commercial paper sellers. So if we're trying to buy it, it's the exact opposite to that. Top of the market offers. Sellers come in, delta sellers come in. Commercials buy from the sellers, and we go bid out of that area. So 80, 85 bid, now trading 25s. It's a wonderful winning trade again. It's another nearly $1,000 profit for anybody that was following what we were doing and taking the same trade as what we were when I was talking about it live just as we came into the classroom. Hence the reason why we were a little bit jumping backwards and forwards with you guys when we started. Brilliant trade, brilliant outcome, and I like it. I like it a lot. Nice bit of business there. Anyway, welcome in, guys. I hope you're all good, ready to rock and roll. And we have been busy. Probably the best trade of the day, and it was a benchmark opportunity, wasn't it? It was a crazy benchmark opportunity. Sell side oil, guys. If you want to take a screenshot of anything that screams crazy, brilliant, unbelievable, and this is like getting in my world of sports betting, this is like getting an even money horse at 100-1 odds. Yeah, that's how good this bet is, right? That's how good this bet is. Look at this bet, guys. Is that not spectacular? You know, you look at what we saw this morning, and you look at the skew, and you look at the big dealers' key levels here and here, and you think to yourself, sell side skew 62, sell side skew 62, it even rhymes, it's that good. It's poetry in motion. So when we see this trade, kind of shows you the perfect example of a short accumulation, doesn't it? It's almost that perfect short accumulation. We see the trap getting set here. You see it? We even had a trap indicator showing the setup. And then we got the trap sprung here with this frightener candle. Unbelievable, perfect, sensational. Takes us up to 62 evens. And then we get a little bit of short selling opportunities. Take it down to the capper price at 61.50s. Break the capper wide open here because we had a slippy gamma line here, a slippy delta line here at 75. So that slippy delta at 75, kicking ass, really big style. And then we got a beautiful slow money grind back into that capper trade area, that change of behavior. Value was still good. Swap dealers were still good. Sell side off the 50 wholesale. You couldn't make it up, guys. And then all of a sudden, we're trading 61 evens where we know that there is a big dealer's level at 61s. And it can't get any better than that. It's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And you can see what happened from that point onwards. We actually got more sell side value again here. So I'm sure everybody sold more at 31s. Still sell side swaps. 31 sell side for me, looking to try and take 61 offered. And we didn't quite get 61 offered, did we? Great opportunity to book a little bit of money. I haven't closed this position out yet, but a great opportunity to book some cash out of that trade there. But I'm still thinking at the moment, let's see if we can get that 61 offer, punch through the hole here and see if we can take a bit of a slippiness against that price level, 61 offered. We don't know, we don't have a feeling about it in terms of slippiness in terms of 61s. I mean, it's a call level, not a put level. If we were to get it down to sort of 60, 75, we might pick up some slippiness, but that seems a little bit of a remote opportunity at the moment. So not looking at this as a huge opportunity to get short. And that's why we did book some monies at 35 tick profits on the drop here. I'm certainly not a buyer at the moment. That's not a thing you might say, but these commercials are buyers. Yeah, let them buy it. I don't really care. At this point, we deal with what we see, and at the moment, that just means if I'm going to sell it, I just need to make sure I'm selling it away from those buyers and give myself a bit of room, a bit of space. And that's how we play it, right? That's how we play. So good trade, beautiful trade, $1,000, sell side swing, 35 ticks, $350, second sell side swing. No chance for me to be a buyer today, I don't think, at the moment. Certainly, I don't see any opportunities to go long into this. Current trades at the moment, sell side oil, waiting to see if we can go 61 offered. Buy side equities, which obviously has a bit of a bit of a hedge element at the moment. Equities and oil are positively correlated at this point. And, trying to keep the bid on the bond has been very laborious so far, but it has peeled off that top edge again at the top line. And we just have to acknowledge that there are some sell-side pressures coming in from the actual 2's 10's absolutes, which is this curve here. So you can see that the absolutes 2's 10's making it very difficult to hold on to those long positions as we go higher here. We were long bonds into this, but you can see there was a quick spike here closing out a nice easy money position on that ultra bond at that stage there. And, if you liked it enough, I'm sure you probably used that as a nice opportunity to walk away when you see all the other values starting to peel round a little bit. But, we need a bit of curve support. The curve support here, really not really madly keen on this trade at the moment. A little bit dangerous. But still thinking that the upside, if the curve can improve, the best trade you can do if you're a curve trader, of course, is to trade the 4x1s on that bond. You can see 4x1s at the bottom edge, giving you an opportunity maybe to work that very, 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 very dropped curve here. Trying to capture a little bit of upside swing here would make a lot of sense from the curve point of view. You can hedge that against, these higher price levels. So if you want to hedge that, there is opportunities to do that as well. So welcome in, guys. It looks like cannelloni today for lunch, so I'm going to get to that as quickly as possible, and I'll catch up with you guys just after lunch. We'll get started. I'll bring across the Canadian numbers so you can see what happens with the Canadian inflation.